Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use animated wallpapers on a Windows PC. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up a browser. You just need to search for Razer wallpaper and press enter. You just need to select the second link, Razer Axon. Select the download now option and select the download now option again, and it will start downloading. After getting download, and click on it and install it and select yes. After getting installed and select the continue option, and now you just need to select the Razer Axon, select the install option, select the skip option right here, and you just need to wait for this download to get done. After getting installed and select the launch option, and now it's launching. Now you just need to log in to your account. I'm going to log in Google. After login to your account, select the continue option, sign in to razer.com. It's logs in, and now you just need to select the location, date of birth. After typing the date of birth, you just need to type the password. After typing the password, you just need to scroll down and select accept and create option. Contact permission, I select no and select next. And now launch the Razer Axon. It's gonna be launch. Now you can able to see, select the wallpaper thumbnail to see its details. You just need to select skip option. Just close out of here. Loading up, you can able to see wallpapers over here. You just need to select the wallpaper you want. I'm gonna select this one under popular downloads last 30 days. I'm gonna select this Razer Rain option over here. Select the add to library option and it will be started downloading. Its size 14 MB. After getting download done, you just need to select apply option and it will be applied on your wallpaper, guys. The same thing for every wallpapers listed over here. You can able to see the results right over here. As you can see, the wallpaper has been changed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.